Now we are about 3-4 days in. We left the battery on charge only during the daytime, so we can monitor. I think overall we might have probably about 36 hour, I think, more or less, about yeah, 4 days anyway. So we had the battery initially, it was around 350 volts, if I'm recalling correctly. Now we got to 395. We're just gonna do a double check with our multimeter, always checking whether the voltages do correspond. So 395.1, 395.2, so it's correct. We are now close to the 397, the nominal battery value. We are happy. The state of charge, it should be fine. Now we are to install the power distributor to put it back on, and then to have the battery back on the vehicle, and then we'll have to see whether the fault that it was stored has been clear. It's the first time that we do this type of job. Is unknown with the error, but we have the battery charged up, so soon we're just gonna switch this one off. Perfect. And then yeah, disconnect the power cables. Okay, we will clean a bit the surface here. Let's make sure it's all intact. It has some sort of grease on it. I think we're quite yeah, we're quite okay with that. The installation of the distribution box is pretty straightforward. It just slides in onto the charging point, and then we have to secure it with the bolts. You just have to be very careful to slide it in straight. So since now we have covered high voltage points in here, as we can measure, always double check on this. There's no voltage whatsoever. Yeah, so it's obviously correct, because inside there are relays, so no output on this, no danger. The high voltage point inside is now covered. We're gonna switch off to high voltage equipment gloves, and then we're gonna start installing the bolts, and then soon have the battery back on the car, and let's see exactly how this is gonna work.